Let's go ahead and install the extensions that we have. So to do that, you go over to extensions. When you go to extensions, by the way, when you get this message, you can just click no or yes. I usually just click on yes. This doesn't collect any personal data. It's just for Joomla to know if there's anything they need to fix. So I'll just click yes. I help Joomla out. So we got that out the way. So when you want to install it, okay, there's several ways for you to install any extension or plugin that you've downloaded. The first method is you can click on this. You can click on browse. This is going to pull up your computer. You can choose whether it's from external hard drive or from your actual computer where you want to install it. Another method is install from folder, which I'm not going to cover, install from the URL, and also install from web. Now with install from web, there are tons of extensions that you can install directly. Now some of these are paid and some of them are free. But you can be able to come here if there's something that you want to download, like an app store. This is like Joomla's app store. Think of it that way. And because it's an app store, you can install a bunch of different things. Just go through and see what you need. But for now, again, we're not going to use the install from web tab. Let's go back to upload package file. So early on, you downloaded the Helix Ultimate, the SP Page Builder Pro, and the EasyStore. So now let's go ahead and install it on here. So you want to click on browse, or you can drag it and drop, but in this case, I'm going to click on, this file. Now, if you notice the maximum upload size, based on your server, this number is going to be different. Mine is saying 500 because that's the number that I set it at, but yours might say something like, 60, or it might say 10, whatever that number is. If you have a number that's too low and you try to install Joomla, it's not going to allow you to. But for the most part, most extensions are relatively small, so they're not going to take up like 50 megabytes or something like that. They're typically small. So you click on browse for your file. Once I browse, now I'm getting options to be able to install it. So I'm going to start off first with the EasyStore. I click on it, click upload. And then I'm getting a message that installation of the component was successful. Let's do the same thing for the other two extensions. So we've successfully installed all the extensions that's needed to build the site. But if you go on the front end and if you refresh this, you won't see anything, like nothing's really changed. In the upcoming lessons, we're going to take a look at how to make that change so we can change the look of this and then go through an overview for the back end of SP Page Builder and EasyStore and Helix Ultimate as well.